Hi folks, we are back again with another Lou's Redos. Today I'm going to do, actually it's a very simple dish and it's one of my favorite appetizers.
No dish is an appetizer when you make it.
It's a shrimp and white beans. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I serve it. So what we're going to do is we have some nice shrimp here. They're already peeled and deveined. I split them because I do like the butterfly effect on them, so you get that effect. You know, everybody has a different opinion when it comes to shrimp. Don't split them, they stay better whole. Cook them in the shell and then peel them and devein them. That I don't particularly care for because once you devein them, you're taking all the garbage out, to use a clean word.
Yeah.
I don't like cooking the shrimp with all the crap in it, so I clean it first.
That's one way of putting it.
We're going to add...
If they could say it on TV, you could say it on YouTube, Dad.
Yeah, I guess. A couple of ounces of olive oil in a hot pan. We are going to add 22 cloves of garlic. No, I'm kidding.
No, he's not.
Only 4, 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to get that going. There we go. She's sizzling it up already. How nice is that?
So last week,
Yeah.
we did the pasta with the cauliflower and the tomato. 2 weeks before that, we did the bolognese.
Yes.
No pasta today.
No pasta. Yes.
Strange.
Yeah.
It was very odd.
Yes. No pasta.
We ran out.
Sometimes. No. We did not run out.
I know.
One thing in this house will never run out of pasta.
And garlic.
And garlic.
And cheese. And tomatoes. Parsley, basil, you know.
The essentials.
Mm-hmm.
All right. To the garlic, I am going to add two cans of white beans.
You had to count the beans to make sure.
No, I am not a bean counter. We are going to season some black pepper.
It's another thing we don't run out of.
We are going to do some pink salt.
We occasionally run out of that.
I love it.
It's good.
Now this dish is actually very simple. So once this gets rolling, I just want to give it another minute or two. I am going to add some red pepper flakes just to pick up that flavor. Give it one more minute. Okay. To the white beans, I am now going to add the shrimp. The shrimp cook quickly.
How quickly?
Minutes. You'll see almost immediately they start getting that pink color. cook a minute or two. I'm going to set up a dish here with a piece of garlic bread.
Or two.
Or two is good.
That's some more leftover garlic bread.
Now actually that I made fresh.
You lied to me.
What?
You lied to me. You can see the shrimp starting to change color already.
Yeah, you can see how it's starting to get pink. You only have a minute or two. Now to this, I'm going to add a little white wine. A couple of ounces, folks, nothing major.
What are you going to do with the rest of it?
I'm going to drink it.
There's another thing we don't run out of in this house.
Is wine.
Wine.
That's almost there. I do add one last ingredient.
I wonder what it could
I
be.
made some marinara sauce earlier. I use whole tomato to make a marinara. And it's really very simple. I do garlic, heat up some oil, throw some garlic in. I hand crush the tomatoes because I do like the idea of having some pieces in the sauce. It's the idea behind the marinara. Oh yeah, this is just almost there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add just a couple of ounces .
That looks like tomato soup with shrimp.
Yeah, it'll come down because I put the wine in there, so it's a little liquidy. So we're going to give it a little bit, another little bit on the fire.
Are we doing pasta next week? Please? Can't go a week without pasta.
Perhaps.
Yes. It's a surprise to me, folks.
Okay. So actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it this way. Nice piece of garlic bread right in the middle. We are going to put some of those white beans and the juice.
You can see the steam coming off of it. Pretty hot.
A little on the warm side. And ladies and gentlemen, that's kind of all she wrote.
Throw some more, yeah.
Shrimp and white bean appetizer
With Italian toast.
with some garlic bread. I just kind of laid over it. You saw what I did. It's a simple dish. It depends on how many you're making it for. I use about 8 pieces of shrimp because only 2 people in this house are going to eat that. It's me and my wife.
I don't eat shrimp.
And that's it, folks. 2 cans of beans, a little marinara sauce, and it's a delicious appetizer.
Again, that does not look like an appetizer.
Yeah.
It's an appetizer here.
It's an appetizer here. Please like us, share us. Comments on the dishes, folks. If there's something you see that you like, please let me know.
Tell us
or
they
if there's
look
something
nice.
you see you don't like, let me know.
Tell us they look nice.
So once again, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, be safe and good cooking. Thank you.